September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone.
Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my simple makeup for work every morning. If you are new watching me, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't just watch and you don't subscribe, and show me some love also by liking my video. I just moved the camera a little bit closer to my face so that you can see closely what I'm doing. And so guys, I just had my shower and I apply some cream on my face. So the next thing I'm gonna put is my primer. It is from Huda Beauty 24K. I just apply like 2 drops of it on my face, and yeah, looking good. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. Guys, I'm not very good with eyebrows, so just bear with me. I'm still learning. I'm still in school also. First, I make a line here. Just fill it in, and I'm gonna arch it a little bit and bring it down. Guys, I'm so sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking at the mirror right here, so bear with me please. You know guys, it is being said that your eyebrows should be twins and not sisters. So I'm really trying my best to make them twins and not sisters. Oh god, I think they're okay now. So I'm still learning guys, I'm still learning. I'm not a pro on this. I'm still learning. I'm gonna use this pencil. It has 2 head at the part, just to highlight my eyebrows. Though I have other things I can use, but I love this pencil. I love to do the highlight with this pencil. So after that, I'm gonna use this brush, this side of the brush, to like smooth it out like that. I blend it with my skin. I'm using that one because it is my color. It's like my skin tone, the same color with my skin. I'm gonna use the other brown part on my eyelid. I just apply it a little bit. After that, I'm just gonna use this to like apply at the corners, just a little bit. I don't like too much. I don't like it to be like, oh yeah. Looks good so far. Looks good. So I'm just gonna use this brush and I merge it all together. Like I just brush through to make it look nice. Mascara. It's from Huda Beauty also. They have really nice stuff here. I like them. So I'm just gonna brush my eyelashes off. So guys, I don't apply too much powder or foundation or blah 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 on my face because I'm a domestic worker, so if I apply that, I will be sweating during the day and it will be like crazy. So this is quite simple and nice. If I sweat, I would just pat my face like this and I'm good to go. Wow, as you can see, I'm looking good so far from up and so this is my best part. The best part of my makeup session is my lipstick. My lipstick pencil and lipstick. Oh, I love them. So if you have been watching my videos, you will notice that I am always having lipstick and all the colors in the world. I have like a big bag like this, just lipstick. One day, guys, I'm gonna do a video on my lipsticks and you will be like just stay tuned. So guys, the first thing I have like 2 color lipstick. I have like this is red but dark red, and I'm gonna use this one as my light red to merge it all together to give it that look. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'll use the dark red lipstick and I'm just gonna make a line on my lips. I could use a dark red pencil, but I didn't find it. I've been searching for it for like a while. I never found, but I got this, so I make do with what I have. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna do, as you can see, it's looking that's it, it's looking good. So I'm gonna go in now with my light red and just ooh, that's nice. So guys, as you can see, I'm looking nice with the lipstick. If you've been watching my video, you will know that my lipstick is always on point. Yeah, I can wake up and I don't do anything with my face, but I just apply my lipstick and I look fly. Yeah guys, so that was the makeup. Ooh, I'm looking nice. Looks good. Guys, I'm good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you can, and please comment down below if you like it or not, or do I need to change anything on this makeup, or do I need to apply more makeup on my face. Comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Peace.